What's going on guys, this is me Mehdi Shakil and today in this video I am going to review this Sony XB450 headphone. Although this one is fake Sony headphone. What? But has something good in it. So without talking too much, let's get into the video. So guys, first of all, thanks to Star Computer Technology Computer Shop for allowing me to make this honest review and giving me this fake Sony headphone. If you want to buy this headphone, then check the link in description. Okay, now this fake Sony headphone comes at 500 BDT and under $6 US in this type of box. This headphone has made in China. I can assure you by looking at it, you can't even differ between the original and the fake Sony headphone. Opening the box, you only get the headphone in a plastic cover. There is nothing else into the box. But when you hold it on your hand, you can feel it that this one is fake one, because the build quality of this headphone is very cheap. It made with very low quality plastic and the headband quality is worst. If this headphone fall from your hand, I must say it will easily break the headband or the body. So you have to use it very carefully. But on the other side, it is very lightweight. You can't even feel the weight when you put it on your ear or neck. Now let's talk about the design. Both speaker has pressure relieving earpad and those earpads provide comfort with an improved acoustic seal. Its rotating speaker neck allow you to lay your headphone flat and make them easy to carry. Also you can easily extend the headband according to your need so that you can make it fit on your head. This headphone has 3.5mm standard audio jack. That means you can easily use it with your computer and your smartphone. It has a controller and on it you will get a button. Using this you can receive and hang up call and as a music play pause button. The wire quality of this headphone is good and the wire is long enough to come from your pocket to head. To the backside of the speaker you will get Sony branding, which give it closer look alike original Sony headphone. Overall I like the design of this headphone. The design is quite impressive. You can easily make confuse your friend. They will not able to identify this headphone is original or fake unless you have to hold it. Now let's talk about the main part, which is sound quality. Sound quality is good enough and the bass was also good, but not close to the original Sony. In this price range you can't expect high quality sound like original ones. Overall the headphone looks, design and sound was good, but again the build quality of this headphone is worst. But according to this price, this is a good headphone. Now you decide you are gonna pick one for you or not. So that's all about this headphone. Hope you like this video. So give it a big thumbs up and share this video. And if you are new on my channel, then smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. So that's all for today. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTec tutorial and I'm signing out.